What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Another video for you guys. Out and about, going on another adventure, going on a cruise. So we win as cruise ship runners. So we're going on a little horse carriage ride. That's the ship in the background there. So I'm gonna give you a look at the ship, Grandiosa, MSC Grandiosa. Just gonna be a one video for this whole cruise here, right? So let's go have some fun. Today's date, what is the date?
The 11th.
January 11th. So that's when we're going. We're coming back on the 14th or 15th? January 15th, right? So it's the first evening on the ship. We did some shopping. We just come back from dinner. And check out this area. They have this dome style shopping area with a lot of stores. A lot of fancy restaurants on the top. Where you got it? Look at me. Architecture, sell the watches. A lot of restaurants at top. So we're checking out the casino. Check out this floor here. Slot machine here. Bar in the middle here. The table game on this side. So we win as $1,100 in the casino. You guys gotta look at the casino. Now this is the first stop. What is it? Ocean Cay?
Ocean Cay.
Ocean Cay, the boat in the background. So we're just gonna explore here a little bit. Come to this island 3 times already. This is gonna be the 3rd time, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be the 3rd time. We're gonna go see the lighthouse. Let's go. So we at the lighthouse, eh? Chilling. Very windy. Nobody climbing up the lighthouse. Come this way. So that's the boat there. Can I sit down there? How long is this height? How high is it? How much? 80 feet? Oh dang. Oh no, it's like about 80 feet, maybe more. More than 80 feet high. Very high. And the ship in the background there. Hey, you gotta take the picture, but you're not gonna get the thing. And this is a little look here at the island. So we're checking out the arcade. Today is a day at sea. We just did some activities. We play basketball. We did the 4DX, right?
Interactive.
Carnival. This one. That one was pretty good. And again, nice F1 racing here too. Right? And then I have a big basketball court on the ship. Pretty cool. What about this side? And then what are you in here? Are you in this thing here? This is a little hallway here. This is where she went the thing. Right there. And then there's some more arcade stuff in here. So this whole section is the arcade section. So we're just exploring the ship today. You got it? Alright, another day on the cruise. We just arrived in Bahamas Island. Right? You guys have a look here. So our room is on this side that have the island on it, right? See people coming off the ship here. Nice island and nice weather today also. So that's Sharky's restaurant over there. We're gonna go try that out. Again, we did it already a few times. Right? We're gonna have lunch there, walk around, explore, come back on the ship. So this is our ship. And there's three more ships in port today. Everybody dress up. And we're going. We're gonna go explore a little bit, show you a little bit of the island. So we get a little marching band here going on. And the island of Bahamas. we're going on a little horse carriage ride in the Bahamas. It's a horsey there, a white horsey.
The guy walking up there with the passport.
Yeah.
That's your driver, okay? What you gonna do from a little boy?
Okay.
Hat. That's when you find public bathroom right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
The driver. The horsey, eh? Was it Captain America? Need a picture?
Let me take a picture. 1, 2, 3.
Alright man, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
That's a horsey right there. That was nice. Very nice, worth it. Just $15 person. Now we're gonna head back on the ship. We gotta get back early on the ship because the ship leaving. We don't want the ship to leave without us. They enjoy the little beach area here. There's some turtles in the water swimming around. The little baby one out there. Look like them gonna crash up on each other. What the baby one there?
What is that?
Cruise ship runners. Going on the ship. Yeah. That's 6 people there. Alright, we're back in Florida. That's the end of the vacation. We're in the parking lot. That's the ship we went on. We had a nice time with it. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.